Morning, students. A very warm good morning to all my dear students, those who are watching this video, and with hope, children, you all are good and safe at home, children. So, what today, once again, in moral science, I am going to make it revision video. Yes, as you all know, your examination is going on, so for that purpose today once again I am going to make it revision video, so everyone will watch this video and try to understand. Yes children, today in moral science video you all are going to do the circle of the correct answer. Yes children, you all will do the circle of the correct answer. So there will be the two option, you all will do the circle. Okay, which will be the correct, like you can see there is by obeying or disobeying our parents we learn the difference between good and bad, children. So which will be the correct answer? Tell me. Obeying, we should obey your parents or disobey? Tell me. Yes, by obeying. O B E, what will you write? You will do the circle OBEYNYING, obeying. And what children? Yes, because parents are the most beautiful and valuable gift of God, okay, which are given gift in our lives. Okay children, parents teach and guide us on the right path and differentiate between the right and wrong things in life. So what you will, when you will obey to your parents, children, and not only you should obey to your parents, you should also give your respect to our parents, okay, because he is the best gift of given by the God, children. So what you will do the circle of obeying. By obeying or our parents, we learn the difference between the good and bad. We learn between the difference between the good and bad. Okay, now next one is here. Second number is here. We should say sorry or thank you. What? We should say thank you or sorry when you split some milk on the floor. Children, when you do the mistake, okay, when you do the mistake, children, what should you say? You should, first thing is that you should apologize yourself. Yes, you should say sorry. When you do the mistake, okay, you should say sorry. So there is telling what should we should say sorry or thank you when we split some milk on the floor by mistake. If you split the milk on the floor, children, you should say sorry. For that you have to say sorry, SORRY, sorry. So which will be the correct? Sorry. Sorry, thank you, excuse me, these all words are called polite words. And okay, when you will speak these words, you will make the person happy. So you should always use these words. Okay, my dear. Now, after that, the third number is here. Next, we should love or hate our God's creature, children. What do you know? Yes, we should always, because children, God has created everything. He has created to you, to me. Okay, so God has created everything. Okay, so what? And not he has created everything, so we should love the God's creature, like animals also, animals kingdoms are the created by the gods. So what? We should love, not hate. So there you will say, write the circle the love, you will circle it love, 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 because love is a special feeling that comes from the it is the caring for someone, treating and with kindness and respect. Okay children, so we should love God's creature. God has created everything, and also we should trust in God, and also in times of difficulty. So there is a telling we should love or hate. You will do the circle of love, LOVE, love. We should love God's creatures. Spellings of creatures is CREATURES, creatures. We should love our God's creature. Now, after that, my dear, there is magic words are also called twin word or polite word. Right now I have spoken, children. Yes, magic words are called polite words. So you all will do the circle of polite, Polite. The what you can see, you will see what polite word, Polite, polite. So magic words are also called polite word, not twin words, because twin words are called pairing word, but polite words are called magic words like thank you, sorry, excuse me. Okay, and so please, these all words are called magic words, or you can say polite words. When we speak these words, we make them happy. Okay, just so you should use these words. When you do the mistake, you should say sorry. If someone gives to you, you will have to say that the thank you. Okay, if someone appreciating to you, should also say thank you. Understood? So these words you should always use. So magic words are also called polite words. What will you say, children? Magic words are also called polite words. So now next one is here, that is Mr. Bear or Mr. Dog came to see Mr. Cat. Children, what do you know? Mr. Dog, because Mr. Dog was the friend of Mr. Cat. So what? Mr. Dog came to see Mr. Cat, and Mr. Cat was a servant in Mr. Bear's house. And what happened, children? Already you all are knowing. One day, whenever he was cleaning the kitchen, suddenly he fell. He slipped on the wet floor and he broke the jar of honey. So Mr. Bear said, just get out from my house and don't ever come. But dog said, just not need to be worried in times of difficulty. Just trust in God, because he is the powerful protector. He can do everything. And so at last Mr. Cat got the job by praying to God. So children, we should always pray to God and always keep believe in our God. Okay, my dear. So what? Mr. Bear not, you will do the circle of Mr. Dog. Mr. Dog came to Mr. Cat, my dear. So children, these all are work which you all have to write down in your copy as a revision. On the top you will write revision, and then after you will do the question 1 to 5, question from 1 to 5, and then also you will complete the prayer from the quotation, from the given quotation sheet. So once again today I would like to say you children, thank you for watching this video till end.